Have you been looking to purchase a property priced up to $350,000? Would it be even better if it presented like a model home and was completely finished from top to bottom? If that's the case, you're going to want to watch this one right through to the end. Steps away from wonderful schools, a wonderful community center, and some great amenities. Also, very quick proximity to the Grand River, offering a wealth of outdoor activities. If you like what you've seen and you want to know more information or book your own private viewing, please reach out to any of us here at Campbell & Company Real Estate.